Welcome to Pure Octane Garage,
where we bring you Halloween celebrations
and other automotive goodness when we can.
That's right. And the detailing stuff, it's all there too.
Yeah,
and that's what we're talking about today.
Yeah, because, detailing and it's spooky season.
Favorite time, right?
Oh, yeah. Love it.
As you notice, it's kind of the one thing we celebrate each year, right? We kind of do the Pure Octane spooky celebration.
You know why? Because it's fun.
It's fun. And this guy
silly.
had a little too much fun.
Yeah.
He lost his skin. But he left behind something that we need to talk about today.
Oh, wait. Before you get to that good stuff, I got to mention our sponsor.
Us!
Yeah,
that's
right.
Yes.
So, we sell some fun merch. Link is in the description below, like this.
Oh,
so, we got to pay the bills.
But not this. That would be pretty cool.
No, this is just my spooky season shirt.
And also, hey, when we're done with the video, if you liked it, we could use a thumbs up.
Yeah.
And subscribe if you like it too. And to all our subscribers out there, thank you. We love you guys.
Yeah, thank you. All right, on to the fun stuff.
Again, it's spooky time. And if you've been with us through the Halloween years, we like to get the Adams Halloween kits for Halloween, right? That literally dropped this week, right?
It did.
And I have to give them props. We ordered this on
Tuesday
and it was here Wednesday. It was like a day later.
Holy moly.
Super. And we didn't pay for express shipping. It was just standard shipping. So good job, Adams. Way to get that to us. But anyways, let's bust it open. First of all, we got to talk about packaging, right?
Yeah, here. Oh,
so this says...
Hey, let go. He just didn't want to let go. But yeah, this packaging is pretty dang cool.
The
and it's
zombie
heavy.
polish kit is what it says.
Yeah, it's, we all have zombies that need polishing.
Yes. Okay, and I want to say one thing real quick. We were talking about this. It says zombie polish kit, and I like that. The only problem is there's actually not any polish in there.
What? Well,
but that's okay.
Oh.
We'll let that one slide.
I really wanted to polish the zombie.
And but we can polish with detail spray.
You hold this while I open it, okay?
Yeah, he'll do whatever you tell him. Okay, you got it. Okay,
guys, can you see that? I'm going to hold it here for a second. So, here, let's go through this.
We got the cool brain box. Gotta love that.
Okay, you grab the first one.
I grabbed it because it's green and pink.
Let's check that. Can I see that?
And I love...
Ooh, it does glow. Oh, yeah.
Mosquito. That's fun. Ooh, it's thick. Look, it leaves that thick. It's tire shine, so this is a little thick, more viscous.
Oh, that's the tire shine?
So that's why we leave that little bit of green coating.
Guys, we got to figure out...
Yeah, check out the tire.
What the... show them the bottle.
It's a tire with a tongue. A zombie tire.
Yeah. I really enjoy good packaging.
Every year.
So fun.
I have plenty of this stuff, but...
I know, right?
You can't not go
Speaking of plenty of stuff, we got this box and we got another one over here.
I'm going to smell this. I can't smell anything.
Okay, fair enough. Let's see.
It smells like nothing.
I don't know what this is.
I looked it up. Sour apple. Are you getting the sour apple?
I got a little too much on the edge of my nose. Yeah, I know we shouldn't be sniffing chemicals, but they sent them, so you have to. I'm getting a little hint of apple.
Okay.
But just little.
Maybe when we spray a tire with it at some point.
Hey, make contact with your audience. Right there. Not me. Not Brandon.
That's something I need to work on. So I'm going orange now.
Orange. Show them the cool... Ooh, that's neat.
It's interior detail, and it has a zombie race seat. Like a Sparko seat or whatever.
Yeah.
This one, interior.
Here, you hold this.
Okay, this one said chocolate raspberry.
Say what now?
Yeah,
chocolate raspberry.
I get a hint of chocolate. These are not very strong by any means. Right?
Yeah, I get a hint of sweetness with a hint of chocolate. But you don't want your interior detailer to be too overwhelming, right? And you don't want it to be like, oh my gosh.
And I know we're just kind of unboxing here, but I wanted to say their interior detail products with scents, you'll smell them, they're gone within a day from my experience, and yours too, right? So they're not overpowering where your car's going to smell like
I think that's best because sometimes you just don't want a really strong scent.
Right.
All right, so next we've got the detail spray. Oh, we can always use detail spray, but here, check the colors out on this. We got
Ryan can always use detail spray.
Yeah, because
I've seen him use it.
I've been known to use a lot of product.
Okay, these ones we don't know. They don't have listed what their scents are.
Oh, we don't.
We're gonna guess wrong.
Well, I got a strong scent of something.
Detail spray. It doesn't smell like the
I don't know.
stuff,
It's sweet. It's sweet.
It's almost like a different version of the pink stuff, honestly.
So this is car shampoo, and it's got a bucket with like a big blue tongue. Here, can you see that?
The one non-themed item in here is the single soft polishing towel. These are good towels though.
Ah, it
Okay.
does come with a polishing towel. So yeah, car shampoo. It's got like this kind of thick, pinkish, reddish, I guess more pink.
Ooze.
Oozy, goozy. I don't know. I do not know what that is. If you know, please let us know.
Candy again.
Yeah, it kind of reminded me of the last one.
Yeah, kind of same. Yeah, I'd agree with that. Honestly, of Adams, I mean, these are their star products. These are their probably most popular products they always put in these kits, but their shampoo has never let me down.
Yeah,
And you like it too.
yeah, and I like the fact, Brandon and I were talking earlier, you had to do a wash in the sun,
Yes.
and you
Don't like to
used
do.
some Adams car shampoo, right? You
Yep.
were using, and even though you were washing in the sun, it didn't spot.
You're always
right?
worried about that sun drying that soap on the car, on the vehicle surface, on the windows, on the. It looked
Yeah.
fine after I rinsed it off. It was completely fine. I actually just had a little bit of water spotting, which is to be expected.
Yeah,
But,
exactly.
that's right. Keep a good coating on your car, or whatever you're using. Just keep it up, and use a good shampoo like that, and you'll be good to go. You can wash in the sun if you have to. We don't recommend it though.
Hey, Brandon, so I was thinking, let's try some of these while we're here.
Did you ask him that?
I did. He doesn't want us to do it, but
Okay.
I want to do it.
Yeah, let's try it. And what better than to detail than a
Huh?
this pumpkin's
Oh,
heavy.
oh, it's,
It's lopsided too.
and it's not cooperating.
It's got some
There we go.
scars. It's been through some
Oh
stuff.
yeah, check out those.
Hey, speaking of being through
Wow.
some stuff, I was gonna say real quick, in case you're ever detailing, especially around Halloween, and those weird monsters like kind of come up on you, while you're
yeah.
out detailing.
Right, right,
You're,
right.
you're armed actually. You have some tools
Okay.
because you're a detailer. And as I was gonna say, some of them are like your pressure washer wand. Right?
Yeah, I would think that would work great on zombies.
That
right?
would work good on zombies. If you happen to have your graphene ceramic spray coating, this stuff stinks. And zombies stink, but I think they're...
They might like that. right?
Yeah, that's maybe not this one. I don't know. Don't spray yourself. That could be bad.
Oh yeah, no.
But
do not coat yourself.
you've got, plastic razor blades,
Oh,
right?
safe but deadly.
So, and I mean, if you have to switch to it, you can switch to the real razor blade.
Whoa.
Then we're going in.
Yeah, I don't know.
But don't cut yourself. And last but not least, a fender brush. It's like a bat. You
Yeah,
can,
it's got some.
You can
It's
scrub
got
them
some
down.
heft to it, right?
So, hey, just a thought. If
Yeah,
that
just in
happens.
case. Just in case
Just
you
in
get
case.
those ghouls and goblins coming at you.
Just know you've got some stuff, and I'm sure there's more. Feel free to share in the comments below your experiences with
Monsters and ghouls during the spooky
If your
season.
neighbor yells at you because you're detailing. I mean,
Hey,
no, I'm just kidding.
Don't start trouble.
No, I'm just kidding. Okay, let's detail this.
Well,
pumpkin.
hey, yeah, why not, right? So what do we got here? What do we start with? Well, hey, why don't we run out there quick, spray the pumpkin off?
That's a good idea. Let's clean it with some water because it's dirty.
It is.
Let's go do that. Okay, pumpkin's back.
Yep, all dried off and,
Look at that.
ready to be detailed.
We did a little soap on there. We did a little
Little
water.
little pressure wash.
Detail spray. Let's just start with it.
You're gonna
right?
start with the detail spray,
Let's
right.
give it a good shake. I'm going to spray the cloth instead
Okay,
of spray.
good
'cause
idea.
I think it's just going to go everywhere otherwise. Maybe we'll get the scent now.
Yeah, maybe we can figure that out, right? Because
No, I still can't. Ooh, wait,
Yeah, let me move
it
that.
does smell like
Ooh.
candy. I'm getting
it
some.
does. I got a hint of chocolate there.
I get it too.
Do you think it's the chocolate
100%.
raspberry, like the
Maybe it's
interior?
the same. Yeah,
Because the interior spray said
Yeah.
chocolate raspberry, right?
I get chocolate raspberry. I'm
I
gonna
definitely
go with
got the
that.
chocolate. See,
Yeah.
it does help to use the
Kinda funny,
product.
It made it smell
So-
like chocolate. All right.
So thanks for the idea.
all right. Oh no. Sirens.
Oh,
Ugh. What do we do wrong?
wow.
Oh, I hear monsters too. Oh God, four-legged monsters. Just keep going, keep going.
Furry monsters.
Furry-
Very wolf-like.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
There's the sirens too. Yeah.
Seriously.
Told you something happened.
It's getting weird out there.
All right, guys, be careful.
Okay, but at least we've got our detailing equipment to protect
Told you.
ourselves.
Oh, I'm sorry. There's still some water in there from when we cleaned the pumpkin.
So, okay,
There's the whoa. I'd had some
it is nice.
slickness.
This looks great. You
I
like that? We're both caressing the pumpkin.
Now got weird.
Just got weird.
You know what? This is orange, and so is a pumpkin. I just realized, wow,
Oh.
we're really revolutionizing what we talk about here today.
We
There
are.
you
This
go.
is cutting
That
edge
one's
stuff
for you.
here. I've got the interior detailer, but that's for the interior, right?
Check
and
this out.
And I see you've got a sharp instrument here.
Yeah. Ooh,
Oh, hey,
we're gonna go ahead and clean the interior of this pumpkin. Oh, guts.
pumpkin.
Yeah, I gotta clean that. Why don't you? I'm kind of guessing you're not gonna need a rag.
But hey, why not? Orange on orange here.
Yeah,
Let's
give it
just-
some spritzies. Oh yeah. And now it smells like chocolate raspberry. Remember? Well, it's supposed to.
Well, I smell pumpkin, chocolate, and
The pumpkin is definitely overwhelming the
But hey.
chocolate raspberry.
yeah, we're goofy. We're goofy. You got this already.
All right.
Okay, so the interior's now been detailed.
Okay. Good job. This pumpkin is prize winning. I'll
It
leave
is.
these over
It's
here.
I got seeds everywhere.
Hey, last but not least,
Oh, the final touch, right?
you know, pumpkins have tires too, right?
I'm gonna move the wash out of the way because we
I'm
used
just gonna
that
use
earlier.
the other side of my rag. Check this out. I'm gonna go ahead, put some tire shine on this.
Okay.
Oh, that's thick, guys. Look at the tire shine.
Ooh.
It's green on the green rag.
Oh
It's
yeah.
probably
I
hard
want to see what it looks like with the tire shine. I say do the whole thing.
You know what? Let's
don't
put
be
some-
shy.
Yeah, let's
don't
just
be
put
shy,
it on
Brandon.
the actual pumpkin.
You know me. I
Look
mean,
at that.
use the product. Oh, it is shiny now. Well,
Oh, look at that.
the before and after is amazing.
The light's just bouncing right off of that.
Oh my. I forgot my shades.
Nice tire. Or pumpkin.
What's the scent on that one? Do we know?
That one was the sour apple. But I
Oh,
don't
yes,
know.
I do get a hint of apple.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Right?
And it's got like a plastic smell too.
And it's kind of sour.
soury, weird, plasticky. Yeah.
I'm gonna
Look
knock.
at that.
You know what? I don't like
It's right.
the wet look, Brandon.
You do like to knock down that a little.
I do.
That,
Here, so we'll
gloss.
just gently knock that shine down. So,
There you go,
oh,
guys.
it does smell
Ooh,
good
it does
though.
look
I do
good.
like it.
So
So,
I'm
yeah.
gonna say out of this little experiment, my recommendation is just wash your pumpkin and coat it with tire shine. You can skip these other two steps probably. Just say it.
I like that.
Right? There you go.
You know. So yeah, always detail your pumpkin.
Get those
right?
pumpkins detailed.
That's right.
Did you hear something?
Yeah. First sirens, and now
it's weird.
I hear something out there.
Yeah, I didn't really think we were gonna bring any realness to this, but I think we are. So
Well,
dude.
we'll see you in the next video.
Remember we were talking about this
please
stuff?
like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Yes.
Yeah, we're goofy.
and
Happy Halloween.
hopefully we're here for the next video. We have to take care
Yeah.
of
Go
whatever's
ahead
going
and
on.
go ahead and turn off the camera, and we'll.
I'll shut it off.
Oh yeah. Oh, Brandon,
Let's go.
what the? What is going on? What the heck?
No. Oh. I'm done. Did you hear something outside?
Yeah. First we hear the siren. Now I hear.
Yeah, no, I hear something.
seriously.
And it's kind of dark. And he was like this. Do we need to go get
Well,
a
here. Why
vehicle,
don't
or-
you get a good grip on this?
I'll hold this. What'd you do?